Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Stripe App Marketplace Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to collect structured data about apps in the Stripe Marketplace. This is useful if you're doing market research, evaluating integrations, or tracking the Stripe app ecosystem. This actor collects detailed info about apps listed in the Stripe App Marketplace. It extracts app names, descriptions, developers, pricing models, supported integrations, categories, and direct marketplace links. All of the data is structured and ready for analysis without any manual browsing. So, how does it work? To get started, you configure a set of filters that define which Stripe apps you want to collect. You can search by keywords, filter by categories, pricing types, dashboard integrations, or app visibility. The search query lets you find apps by name, description, or core functionality. You can narrow the results by categories such as billing, commerce, data analytics, or productivity. This is useful for discovering apps that compete in the same space or solve similar problems. You can also filter the apps by pricing model, like free or subscription based. The visibility filter distinguishes between apps that appear in the Stripe dashboard UI and apps that work only through the API. The Works With filter lets you target apps that integrate with specific parts of the Stripe dashboard or API. And the maximum number of items is the quantity that the scraper will get for you. We'll choose 20 for this run. In this example, I'm searching for billing-related apps with subscription pricing that integrate directly into the Stripe dashboard. Now, you can choose to run it once or schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor cook up its magic. When the run finishes, after just a couple of seconds, each app appears as a structured record in this dataset table, which you can find in the Output tab. You'll see the app name, description, developer, pricing type, categories, supported integrations, and direct marketplace URL. You can download the dataset as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file, which allows you to plug the data into spreadsheets, BI tools, or internal research workflows and make it easy to compare apps side by side or export the data for deeper analysis. The Stripe App Marketplace Scraper is ideal for discovering integrations, analyzing competitors, and understanding the Stripe app ecosystem. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.